Now, make an old template, mock the Yugen dash. What are you at? Fleece and brake cleaner again?
Yeah, four for it.
Pure, oh Jesus Christ almighty tonight. Brake cleaner addict.
There's running up.
Oh, you're going to upgrade from the poor old aerosols.
Yeah, unfortunately we're into...
As life gets harder, things get softer. Now we're making a bit of headway. Adeline has all the brake lines tidied up and nipped up before we go leading up onto the J-Space reservoir. And I was tasked with fitting the dash. Around this way a bit. Now we just need to notch the centre bit there for the steering column, because it is an S15 dash. It was moulded off. So it just needs a bit of persuading and a bit of clearance and yeah, go over there just to go in around the cage. You have to make them just a bit bigger because it's not going to squeeze around it. It's not too bad when we make brackets to come off the standard 180 dash mods. And I'm struggling here now. I've only one hand. I need a cameraman. Have you got the dash?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. She came in here. Shouldn't be too bad.
No, it's a bracket.
Wonder where does he want to mount the link? There's a bezel for him as well. All the way.
She'll take a bit of persuading. Still the plastic here a bit bigger. One hole size bigger for a bit of wiggle room to...
Oh yeah, I get you.
The holes. No, maybe this touch. Aha.
Oh boy.
Still the same.
If it fits, it sits.
Nice job though.
You sit in there. You have to do a nice bit of clearance and it's a... Yeah.
We could just put, we could just pour the fiberglass to make the bracket.
Murder of a woman found dead in a flat in Limerick last Tuesday. Detectives from the PSNI arrested the 26-year-old on suspicion of murder and has been held at Loughborough Station. It's understood he's a resident of the Republic. Universal use of face masks.
How's your bracketry going?
Getting there.
Getting there.
What's that?
I'll come back at a later date, so...
Yeah.
Sound.
It could be a bit
We're both on fucking bracketry fucking problems here now. I don't know how well this is going
back into the car that we cut off the handy for them though.
Isn't it? Reduce, reuse, upcycle, and I knocked the fucking rasp. Cry! Oh, I'm delighted with this. Look at that. Yugen Factory S15 fiberglass and flocked get dash. It's all bolted up. Just oh, look at that. So now how are you getting on?
And the dash come out that way, no? Lord, she's a big seat. Now, they have a multitude of holes to choose from.
We might have to put new ones on. I'm not bad there now.
I'm lining up with nothing now, sure. See, scan the heap of holes, you have to
pick which
Might
ones.
need new ones.
Yeah, no, you lining up with Anton.
I didn't realise the 180 is holographic on them.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice.
Very nice.
Makes them look genuine. You good?
It might just be the plastic.
No, not. Oh.
Yugen glass is setting on it.
Mm-hmm.
They'll make a nice job. You're going to take in your throne now though.
Oh, that's right, because that was a pain to put
In
in.
the ball bags put in.
Oh, Jesus. That's all wrong, Sean.
Is it?
Oh, terrible. Absolutely spot on.
Happy days.
Yeah. I like
All
that.
you need now is for when you press that right pedal, that should open and make heaps of noise.
Not too far off it now, hopefully. We'll soon have everything that we can do done with it. Then it's after someone who knows what they're actually doing.
Would you look at him? In his dinky care.
Yes, it's good. I can't imagine driving this young.
No.
No.
It'll
Far cry
frighten.
from the Beamer.
It'll frighten the absolute 7 shades out of you.
Oh, it frightened me already. That's half the crack though.
Have to cry. You're going doing Duke's Hazard.
I wouldn't mind Daisy though.
Hey.
Now I suppose after him fitting the seat and that he deserves to have a seat, but I'd say we have
Oh, you have no
I'd
fear
say
of me
we-
ever stealing this show.
I'd say we have short people problems.
Vertically challenged.
Has anyone got a booster seat and longer arms?
And the arm situation sound is the lower half of me.
How about I just fix it, Sean, and you drive it?
I fucking can't even push the clutch right.
And you're the lad that goes to the gym then?
I know, yeah. Jim can't fix the height problems, I'm afraid.
No.
Very nice. That's a lovely seat.
Jesus, some job.
That is a lovely seat. Oh, that's mint. Harren's
Jeez,
just come out
the
with a
boys-
lovely spot.
Yeah, the boys were very busy today. Dash in, digi dash in, switch panel back in. Jeez, they're flying it and they've a heap work done underneath. They're a nice touch now, just like the genuine 180.
Mint. Happy man.
Big,
Very happy.
big yes.
Exactly. That's not a bad day's work now, Connery.
No, I'm happy. Are you?
Delighted. Back windows are setting. Yugen dash is in. The oil dipstick is a lovely touch. Deane made a nice job of that. Well, the seat is in. Exhaust is on. You're getting a new downpipe mat in there. Jesus. Switch panel. I'll modify it and put it back in. Digidash is in. What brand is the Digidash again, did you say?
Power tune.
Power Tune. They're the Australian crowd.
Yeah.
That's it. I love how it's holographic on the 180s.
It's a nice touch.
Very nice touch.
Nice and genuine.
Gin lines. Oh yeah, that's fucking not bad old going scan. Happy days.
Actually getting there slowly.
It doesn't make it claustrophobic either. It's nice and far away from you.
It's perfect.
It's good.
That is mint.
I can't get over that.
Looks well known.
Absolutely serious.
Said we better pull it out before we put the windscreen in. Jesus Christ, what's going on there?
You've done the old NCT shock test.
We'll find out a little clip as well for that.
But all of this case didn't complete at the initiation, so
Bit of FD.
There's Al Rob
building
gets the win, non-stop tuning. He's up here with the Z from Minnesota. Advances on when we
Windscreen is in and setting.
And
throttle
we will
pedal is all
see
connected up.
the second half of the
A little
stock
satchel for
32.
Conor for out in the grid for his phone and his other bits and bobs. And it's blanked off where the roof scoop used to be. It just looks a bit tidier. Just need to, obviously the wiper arms, finish off the plumbing on this side of the fuel system. They've throttle cables all connected up. Conor checked all the valve clearances there and they're actually spot on. Put new gaskets on the rack covers. These are going to be painted. Don't know what colour yet, but I think it might be the blue of his old BMW. I'll insert a picture here, or if I can insert a video I will. But yeah, it's all nice tidy bits now at this stage. So I have these old door rubbers off my old car, so I'm going to just put them on the top here, just so I didn't cut the hand of themselves. Same for the passenger, like, wouldn't be nice cutting up someone's hand, but I don't know what else is there for doing. It's actually wing mirrors being painted at the minute, and looking at the wing mirrors, standard 180s, they're actually very nice, very good condition. And I have a rear view mirror that's been painted up as well. You mightn't think you'd use it, but you actually would use it. What else? I'm not sure what else, but we'll just keep you in the loop as we get along.